ang pagbabala ng ating Panginoong Kristo, ang pag-ibig ng Diyos Ama, at ang pakikipagkaisa ng Espiritu Santo nawa ay suwayin na.
At sige.
Sa ating mga administrators, sa mga ating ligay na kanyang patuloy na pagkatay, ang patuloy na pagkagawa at pagkakagusto niya sa atin, ang sa gayon tayo din ay namitano natin kanyang pagmamahala sa ating kapwa. Kaya nga mga kapatid, upang kahit imalapat ang pinabang para sa ating banal na pagdiriwa, aminin natin ang pagkakamali at pagkukulang at hindi tayo ng
Headed by President Mirso Heroldo, to our very inspiring Vice Presidents, to all our campus Chancellor and Vice Chancellors, to our very own Vice Chancellors, Dr. Francis G. Manazon, Dr. Vanessa V. Castillo, Dr. Michael C. Godoy, and Dr. Euphronia Namandayaw, to our ever-supportive Chancellor, Attorney Alvin R. De Silva, to our guest of honor and speaker, to our hard-working faculty and employees, to our proud parents, to our students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Recognition 2024, with profounding transformations and accelerating reforms for national development. To formally begin this program, may I request everyone to please stand for the singing of National Anthem, followed by the Batak State University, the National Engineering University hymn, to be conducted by written voice and sample.
Sa ating Chancellor, Attorney Alvin R. De Silva, to the Vice Chancellors, Dr. Francis Manazon, Dr. Vanessa Castillo, and Dr. Michael Godoy. Sa ating mga college deans, Dr. Marita Hilaroso, Dr. Ramones Pia, Dr. Indel Amorado, Engineer Joven Austria, and Associate Professor Maria Lucia Canina. Sa lahat ng Associate Deans and Program Chairs, sa heads ng iba't ibang offices, sa ating pong guest speaker na makakilala ko mamaya sa aming kasama, and then sa lahat ng faculty namin na nandito, and then also staff, and sa ating pong mga student awardees, also to the program.
Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering, Romero John Luis Saliba, cum laude. Parents, Mr. Ferdinand C. Romero, Mrs. Eileen S. Rotelo. Resurrection, Elizabeth Flores, cum laude. Parents, Mr. Ben H. Resurrection, Mrs. Esperanza F. Resurrection. And last but not least, Mr. Gonzales Wendell Barola, cum laude, Passage to Outstanding Alumni. Parents, Mr. Greg P. Gonzales, and Mrs. Delia P. Gonzales. Congratulations. It is also my honor to present graduating students with the Team Honors under College of Informatics and Computing Sciences, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Laureano Margaret Perez, cum laude. Parents, Mr. Manuel C. Laureano, and Mrs. Emily P. Laureano. Retanal Mervyn Reed, magna cum laude. Parents, Mr. Lamar Retanal and Mrs. Mariela Retanal. And thus, Villapando L. Christian Mendoza, magna cum laude. Passage to Outstanding Alumni. Parents, Mr. Aniceto K. Villapando and Mrs. Nancy M. Villapando. Congratulations.
Super.
It is my honor to present the graduating students with the Team Honors under the College of Arts and Sciences, Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Tagapatan Gabriel, cum laude.
Sana.
Oblefillas Alina May Valorne, cum laude. Solabo Daisy May Olave, cum laude. Eugenio Grace Ann Limaano, cum laude.
Hindi na napicturean. Yung
Soberano Jana Michelle Bumali, cum laude. Magna cum laude. Asal, magna cum laude. A high standard for their peers and embodying the values of our esteemed institution. Congratulations to our rank 10, to Miss De Castro Maria Lourdes, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Awareness po na pumunta na po sa site. Again, may I request to our rank 9. Our toss awardee, none other than Mr. Lendicho Clarence P. Our ranking again is Miss Magnayan Lizelle. 7. For our rank 7 is none other than congratulations to Mr. Dan Leonard Ramos. Rank 6. Again from Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in HRF is none other than Miss Rizzo Maria Eve Brazilian. From Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in HRM again, none other than Miss Desiree Samonte. Down to our rank 4. Parang kinakabahan na sila lahat. Okay, down to our rank 4 is none other than Mr.
The award. 10 outstanding students of Lipan Campus.
Journey doesn't end here. Carry the lessons you have learned, the skills you have honed, and the friendships you have made into your future endeavors. Remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and every success is a stepping stone to even greater accomplishments. To the parents, teachers, and staff, thank you for your tireless support and dedication. Your contributions have been integral to the success we celebrate today. Let's continue to inspire and uplift each other, to strive for excellence in all our endeavors, and to support our students in their ongoing journey towards greatness. Thank you all for being a part of this special occasion. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Mama.
From Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in HRM again, none other than Miss Desiree Samonte. cum laude.